Dude, are you gonna show us the parts you used in the build or what? I got you. The GPU is a PowerColor Hellbound 7800 XT. The CPU is a Ryzen 7700X, and that is on Gigabyte's newest B650E Aorus Elite XAX ICE motherboard. And we've also got Gigabyte's newest 360mm AIO, the Aorus Waterforce 2, which has daisy chainable fans. We've got 32 gigabytes of Team Group T-Create RAM at 6400 megahertz speed. We've got 2 terabytes of WD Black storage, the SN850X, and then the power supply is NZXT's newest C1200, and it is ATX 3.1. That's really cool and all, but did you smell the computer earlier? No.